Are you thinking of flying a drone high without spending a fortune? Well, today we're going to dive deep into the 5 best budget drones in 2025. Whether you're a total beginner, hobby flyer, or an aspiring aerial filmmaker, we've found the perfect flying companions for every level. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Kicking things off at number 5, we've got the Velcase S101, our top pick for beginners and kids. This fun-sized drone might be budget-friendly, but it offers a surprisingly rich flying experience. It features a 1080p HD camera that streams real-time footage directly to your smartphone via the Velcase VGO app. With handy features like barometric altitude hold and optical flow positioning, you'll feel like a pro from the very first flight. The drone also offers 3 speed modes and 3D flip functionality, making it as fun as it is capable. You get 2 1,500 mAh batteries that deliver a combined flight time of up to 26 minutes. Plus, the foldable design makes it super easy to carry around. You just have to toss it in your backpack. And it also includes propeller guards and overcurrent protection for safer flying. And the one-key takeoff and landing feature means anyone can fly it with confidence. If you're looking for a gift or an affordable way to dip your toes into the drone world, the S101 delivers excitement and stability in a compact, beginner-friendly package. Coming in at number 4, we have Holystone HS440, the best lightweight drone in this lineup. Weighing just 166 grams, this drone is about as travel-friendly as they come. Its foldable design lets you pack it along easily on any adventure. What really makes the HS440 stand out is its 1080p HD camera, which can be tilted up to 90 degrees for capturing a wide variety of angles. The 112-degree wide-angle lens ensures you capture more in every shot, perfect for beach trips, group selfies, or creative city flyovers. With up to 20 minutes of flight time, it's got enough juice for most casual sessions, and it's incredibly user-friendly thanks to automatic takeoff, altitude hold, and one-key high-speed rotation, perfect for beginners who want to impress without a steep learning curve. The HS440 is ideal for anyone who values portability and simplicity without sacrificing video quality. Whether you're filming your first aerial montage or just having fun flying circles around the backyard, this drone offers solid performance and flexibility in a lightweight package. At number 3, we've got the Holystone HS175D, our favorite drone in the budget range with a 4K camera. If you're after crystal-clear aerial shots and want features usually found in higher-end drones, this one's worth a serious look. The 4K ultra-clear camera, paired with a 110-degree wide-angle lens and 5 GHz FPV transmission, delivers stunning clarity with minimal lag, even if the wind kicks up a bit. What makes this drone especially attractive is its built-in GPS with auto-return functionality. If the signal drops or the battery gets low, the drone automatically finds its way back to you. Plus, it comes with 2 batteries for up to 46 minutes of flight time, giving you plenty of airtime for exploration or capturing the perfect shot. At just under 250 grams, it also slips past FAA registration rules, saving you the extra hassle. It even includes a carrying case, one-key takeoff and landing, and altitude hold for a smoother, stress-free experience. The HS175D is an excellent fit for intermediate flyers or beginners, ready to step up their game without spending a fortune. Coming next at number 2, we have the DJI Mini 4K, and this one's all about long-distance control and pro-level visuals. Weighing under 249 grams, it skips FAA registration while still offering premium features. The highlight here is the 4K Ultra HD camera with a 3-axis gimbal, which delivers buttery smooth footage, perfect for capturing scenic views, sports, or creative aerial B-roll. It also handles wind resistance up to 38 kilometers per hour, so it's more than capable in breezy conditions. But what really sets this one apart is its jaw-dropping 10-kilometer HD video transmission range. Yes, that's over 30,000 feet. You can literally explore entire landscapes without losing video quality. Flight time depends on your battery configuration, but you can choose from 1, 2, or even 3 batteries for up to 93 minutes of combined flight time. It's designed with easy controls and guided tutorials, making it ideal for beginners and hobbyists who want to grow into more advanced skills. If you're looking for a lightweight, reliable drone With long-range exploration and stunning 4K footage, the DJI Mini 4K is an absolute gem. Finally, at number 1, we have the DJI Neo. This is hands down the best overall budget drone on the market right now. Weighing only 135 grams, it's lighter than most smartphones and skips the FAA registration process entirely. It comes equipped with 4K ultra-stabilized video that delivers movie-quality results, whether you're capturing action shots, vacation views, or cinematic vlogs. One of the standout features is palm takeoff. Just hold it in your hand, press a button, and it takes off like magic. The Neo also supports auto-follow modes and 8 creative quick-shot presets, so you can film dynamic scenes with very little effort. With full coverage propeller guards included, you won't have to worry about close calls indoors or among tree branches. It also comes with a solid battery and an accessory kit, making it ready to fly right out of the box. Whether you're hiking, biking, kayaking, or just documenting everyday adventures, the DJI Neo is the perfect blend of portability, quality, and smart features. It's an ideal pick for creators, families, or anyone who wants stunning drone footage without getting tangled in complexity or cost.